Hello and namaste. I Priyanka welcome you back to my channel. So today I am back with one more acrylic pouring. As I told you in my previous videos, it is really addictive. So I couldn't stop myself from doing it again. So what exactly is acrylic pouring? Acrylic pouring is a fascinating fluid art technique in which you are going to mix the acrylic paint along with some of the pouring medium to change its consistency or to make it more liquid. So depending upon the consistency and the color and the pouring medium, and obviously depending upon the technique, we are going to get various kind of results. And we can add silicone as well to the colors to get a number of cells, but I have not added silicone in this particular painting. And the pouring medium that I have used is Fevicol plus water or PVA glue plus water. I used a straw to spread out the colors. Please go through the video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends. Let's not waste more time and get started with the video.